Let me ask you a question. Why are you still paying the full price for data? Because the truth is, there's an app out there that can give you the same data for the price that is unbelievable. I'm talking about data plan that will make you to look at your phone and say, that means all this time now overpayment that they do. In this video, I will show you the exact app to get super cheap data for Airtel, how to use it, and the cheap data plan that are inside. So this video is dedicated to Airtel user. If you are using other network, I've also done similar video to get data the very cheap from other network. I'm going to attach this other video to the description of this video. After you finish watching this video, you can check the description of this video to get access to these other videos. So before you rush to buy your next data plan, watch this video to the end, because this will help to save you cost the purchase of data. If this is the type of video that I like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If they're interested, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. So let's dive into the video. This is how the interface of this app look like once you have downloaded it from Google Play or our App Store and you have registered and log in. This is how the interface look like. From here you can be able to monitor your data balance, how many minutes of call you have, and your MB balance. The first way to get data from this app is you click on app offer now to see if you have offers that are available for you. So you click on app offer, so you're going to bring it to this interface. So currently now this is the offer that I'm currently having. Now you may not get exactly this offer depending on how you are using your SIM to do your data. So this is the offer that I'm having now. Currently now the first option here with 500 I can get 1.5 GB of data to be valid for 1 day. The second option with 600 I can get 2 GB of data to be valid for 2 days. This third option with 715 I can get 3 GB of data to be valid for 2 days. So I mostly use this third option to do my subscription with this offer. So this is one of the ways you can get cheap data from this app. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to tell you the name of this app at the end of this video. The second way you can get cheap data from this app is you click on all offer. Once you click on all offer, it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you click on my Airtel offer. So make sure that it's on this one, my Airtel offer. You're going to see the different offers that are available. So these are different offers that are available for me. If you don't see the one that you like in this interface, the next one is you click on data pack. You click on data pack, it's going to bring you to this interface. So you can see different offers that are available. First of all, you're going to be seeing the daily data offer. So currently now the first option here is with 15 naira you can get 250 MB. You can make use of this data from 12 midnight to 5 AM. So this option is for midnight browsing. If you normally do a lot of work in the night, you can use this option to do your data subscription for Airtel. With 15 naira you can get 250 MB, which means with 100 naira you can get 500 MB, and with 200 naira you can get 1 GB of data. If you scroll down, you will see different options. So if you want to do your data subscription that you can use to log into your different social media platforms like your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you can use this option to do your daily data bundle for your social media platform. Now that option that I also use to do my data subscription with this app is, if you scroll down you will see this option, the Bing plan. With 750 you can get 3 GB of data with a bonus of 1 GB of data for YouTube night plus 200 MB. So with 759 I can get 4.2 GB of data. So this is another option that I mostly use to do my subscription with this app. Then another option that I use to do my data subscription with this app is this second big plan. With 1000 naira I can get 3.2 GB of data with a bonus of 2 GB of data for YouTube night plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. With 1000 I can get 5.2 GB of data. Now another option that I can also use to do your data subscription with this app is with 15 you can get 5 GB of data
with bonus of 2 GB of data for YouTube Night plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So with one I can get 7.2 GB of data. So all of these options that I just mentioned are daily plans. Now we also have the weekly plan. So if you scroll down, you will see the different weekly plan that are available. You can choose any of these options that are available that you want to do your subscription for the weekly. We also have social media plan for the weekly also. Then we also have the monthly data subscription with this app also. So you can also select monthly data subscription with this app depending on the one you want to go for. Then for heavy data user, if you scroll down to the ending, you will see the mega data plan for heavy data user. Or if you use data to run your daily activities or your business, you can use this option. So if you scroll down, you will see different options that are available. We have 30 days plan, yearly plan, 90 days plan, 120 days plan. Now the one that I mostly go for is this option. The last 3 options, these are the options that I mostly make use of. Now the last 3 options, the first one here, with 50,000 I can get 300 GB of data. This will be valid for 90 days, that is 3 months. Then the next one, with 60,000 I can get 350 MB. This will be valid for 120 days, that is 4 months. Then the last option, with 100,000 I can get 685 GB of data. To be valid for 365 days, that is 1 year. So if you want to do it, that will last you for 3 months, 4 months, or 1 year. You can use any of this option to do your data subscription from Airtel. Then we also have the voice plus data plan. So if you call and also use data, you can use this voice plus data options. So you are going to see different options that are available in this section also for the voice and data options. So this one is like you using one stone to kill 2 birds. So we're also having the weekly option and the monthly option for this voice plus data bundle.
So that is it. You have seen the app, you have seen the plans, and you have seen how easy for you to get super cheap data without stress from this app. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop a comment in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification. So that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to other videos to get it at the very cheap from other networks like MTN, Glo and 9 Mobile, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen. You can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.